contrast up here. Check out the collar cloud on that thing.
Whoa!
Did you get that?
I think I got that.
Check out the shear skid and see which way it's moving. I want to make sure it's not coming right at us. Okay.
I gotta change tapes.
Whoa! Oh,
138.
I thought that was a hailstone bouncing up. It was a bird.
It's 138 shear marker on it.
Okay, you want to do it here?
Yes,
Yeah.
because we'll lose it.
Yeah, there's a hill. There's a hill right here that. I'm gonna shut the engine off, see if we can hear the roar from here.
Oh, I got that. It's getting rain wrapped totally. It's narrow on the bottom.
Yeah, it's coming out good on my exposure. I'm gonna do a. Yeah, we're losing contrast.
Before I get hailed on, I'm going to take care of business.
All right.
I told you I had a good feeling about the day.
Oh yeah.
He comes off slow.
Yeah.
At least